In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Udemy video transcript on desktop. If you like following along with text, reviewing key moments without guessing where they are, or you're learning in a quieter environment, the transcript feature can make your study sessions much smoother. I'll walk you through how to open it, how it behaves while the video plays, and how to use it to jump exactly where you need. Start by going to the lecture you want to watch in your Udemy course. Once you're on that lecture page, press play on the video. Letting the video run is important because the transcript is tied to the timeline of the lecture. As the audio moves forward, the text will sync right along with it. You'll notice that everything becomes much more interactive once the video is actually playing. Now look just below the video player. You should see a button labeled Transcripts, typically near the subtitles or CC icon. The layout can shift slightly depending on your browser size or any recent interface updates, but it's almost always in that lower area of the player controls. The button is designed to be easy to spot because it's one of the main learning aids on the platform. Click Transcripts, and a text panel will open, often on the right-hand side of the video. This panel displays the spoken content from the lecture. As the instructor talks, the current sentence will be highlighted, so you can track exactly where you are without losing your place. If you're the kind of learner who benefits from reading while listening, this makes the content clearer and helps you catch details that might otherwise slip by. Beyond simply reading along, the transcript panel doubles as a navigation tool. You can click on any line or sentence in the transcript to jump straight to that moment in the video. It's a precise way to revisit definitions, code snippets, formulas, or any section you want to review again. If you tap a line and land a second too early or late, just click another nearby line to fine-tune your spot. The highlight will update automatically as the video continues, making it obvious where you are in the lesson. That's all there is to it. Go to your lecture, start the video, open the transcripts panel, and use it both to follow along and to jump to the parts you care about. Once you try it, you'll find it's a simple habit that saves time, reduces rewatching, and makes learning more efficient. Give it a go on your next lecture and see how much easier it is to stay focused and retain more from your course.